The moon, our constant celestial companion. It lights up our nights, guides the tides, and inspires poets and dreamers. But what if one day, this peaceful neighbor turned into a deadly threat? What if the moon collided with Earth? At first, it would seem like a beautiful sight, the moon getting bigger every night. But soon, its gravitational pull would wreak havoc. Tides would swallow coastal cities. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions would shake the planet. And then, impact. The collision would release energy billions of times stronger than all nuclear weapons combined. The shockwave would vaporize everything in its path. The impact would liquefy the crust, trigger a global firestorm, and blast debris into orbit, possibly forming a new, molten ring around Earth. If any life survived, it would face an eternal winter as dust blocks the sun. The Earth we know would be gone. But don't panic, the moon isn't going anywhere. It's actually drifting away from us, about an inch every year. So for now, let's just enjoy the moonlight and be grateful it's staying right where it is.